When it comes to supplementation, creatine and whey protein are favorites among bodybuilders. But is it safe to combine them? In today's video, we'll explore everything you need to know about these two supplements and discuss whether it's feasible to consume them together. Creatine is widely recognized in the bodybuilding community for its benefits. This natural supplement is known to boost athletic performance, being not only safe, but also one of the most popular and effective in the world for muscle development and strength gains. Although we've covered creatine in previous videos, we find it important to highlight how it's often combined with whey protein without proper attention. So let's delve into every aspect of this combination. There are many benefits. Here are 7 of them, and I'll mention that number 3 is one of the main ones. So let's get started. Number 1. Creatine plays a crucial role in assisting muscle cells in energy production. Creatine supplements increase stores of phosphocreatine in the muscles. Phosphocreatine is critical in the formation of adenosine triphosphate, ATP, the essential molecule cells use for all vital functions. During exercise, ATP is rapidly consumed to generate energy. Creatine supplements increase phosphocreatine stores, allowing for the production of more energy to sustain muscles during high-intensity activities. This is the primary mechanism behind creatine's performance-enhancing effects. Number 2. Creatine is widely recognized as one of the most effective supplements for muscle growth. Studies have shown that just 5 to 7 days of using this supplement can result in a significant increase in lean body mass and muscle size. Number 3. Creatine plays a crucial role in enhancing performance in high-intensity exercises. Its direct function in ATP production means it can significantly enhance various aspects, including strength, explosive power, muscle endurance, muscle mass, and recovery. Unlike some supplements that are more beneficial for advanced athletes, creatine offers advantages regardless of fitness level. Studies have shown it can improve performance in high-intensity exercises by up to 15%. In addition to physical benefits, research suggests that creatine may have positive impacts on brain function. For example, in one study, participants who used creatine demonstrated improvements in memory and reaction time compared to those who received a placebo. The initial weight gain associated with creatine use is due to increased water content in the muscles. Long-term, creatine also stimulates muscle fiber growth, signaling important biological pathways and improving performance in workouts. In a 6-week study, participants who used creatine gained an average of 2 kilograms more muscle mass than the control group. But before we continue, I'll leave a high-quality creatine in the first pinned link. And for me, it's the best of all. So if you want to gain muscle mass 3 times faster, just click on the link in the video description and in the first pinned comment. Number 4. Research suggests that creatine may have a positive impact on reducing blood sugar levels and combating diabetes. One study demonstrated that creatine supplements may lower blood sugar levels by increasing the function of glucose transporter type 4, a molecule responsible for transporting sugar from the blood to the muscles. In a 12-week study examining the effects of creatine on blood sugar levels after a high-carbohydrate meal, participants who combined creatine with exercise showed better control of blood sugar levels compared to those who only exercised. The short-term response of blood sugar after a meal is an important indicator of diabetes risk. The more effectively the body clears sugar from the blood, the better. While these benefits are promising, more research in humans is needed to understand the long-term effects of creatine on blood sugar control and diabetes treatment. Number 5. Creatine supplementation has been linked to more efficient recovery after exercise. In a study involving cyclists, those who used creatine demonstrated faster recovery from muscle fatigue after intense training compared to those who did not use it. Number 6. Creatine has shown significant benefits in the treatment of various neuromuscular diseases, such as muscular dystrophy and amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS. In patients with muscular dystrophy, for example, creatine may contribute to improved muscle function and slowing down the decline in strength. Number 7. In addition to its various benefits, creatine is recognized as one of the most accessible and safe supplements available on the market. It is easily found in supermarkets and online stores, and its safety has been investigated for over 200 years, with numerous studies supporting its long-term use. Using creatine is simple and convenient. Just take 3 to 5 grams per day. You can easily measure the dose. As for the best time to consume it, if your diet is typical, you ingest about 1 to 2 grams of creatine per day, which means your muscle reserves are likely only 60 to 80% filled. However, it's possible to maximize them through supplementation. Coaches often recommend a creatine loading phase to quickly saturate your muscles. During this phase, you consume a larger amount of creatine over a short period to achieve muscle saturation. A common approach is to take 20 to 25 grams of creatine daily for 5 to 7 days, dividing this dose into 4 or 5 portions of 5 grams throughout the day. Studies show that this regimen can effectively increase muscle creatine stores by 10 to 40%. After the creatine loading phase, you can maintain your stores by taking a smaller dose, usually between 3 to 5 grams per day. Depending on individual muscle mass, some people may need slightly higher doses. Creatine can be consumed before or after exercise, or at other times of the day. Splitting the daily dose throughout the day is also a viable option. Research has sought to determine the best time to consume creatine. One study found that adult men who took creatine after exercise showed the greatest increases in muscle mass and strength over a 4-week training period. Now, let's discuss what whey protein is and its potential effects. Whey protein is a popular supplement in the fitness and diet industry derived from whey, the liquid that separates from milk during cheese production. After filtration, refinement, and drying, whey is turned into powder. Studies show that whey protein can aid in post-exercise recovery, muscle mass gain, and strength improvement, especially when part of a resistance training routine, mainly in healthy young adults. Additionally, some research indicates that whey protein may be beneficial for weight loss in overweight or obese individuals, as increased protein intake can promote a greater sense of fullness, aiding in reducing calorie consumption. Protein-rich foods such as lean meats, seafood, eggs, and nuts can also be useful for increasing protein intake in the diet. While whey protein has several health benefits, some people have concerns about its safety. However, based on current research, whey protein is generally considered safe for athletes looking to increase their protein intake. However, caution is advised when consuming large amounts of protein, as more data is needed to understand the possible adverse effects of high protein intake. There are many health benefits of whey protein. Number 1, whey is an excellent source of high-quality protein. Whey is a complete and high-quality protein that contains all essential amino acids. It is highly digestible, being rapidly absorbed by the gut compared to other types of protein. These qualities make it one of the best dietary sources of protein available. There are 3 main types of whey protein: concentrate, UPC, isolate, WPI, and hydrolysate, WPH. Concentrate is the most common and also the most affordable type as a dietary supplement. Whey protein is very popular among bodybuilders, athletes, and other individuals seeking an additional source of protein in their diets. Number 2. Whey protein promotes muscle growth. Muscle mass naturally decreases with age, often leading to fat gains and increased risk of many chronic diseases. But this diverse change in body composition can be partially avoided or reversed with a combination of strength training and proper diet. Strength training, along with consumption of protein-rich foods or protein supplements, has proven to be a very effective strategy. Whey is rich in branched-chain amino acids called leucine. Leucine is known as the most potent amino acid in promoting anabolic muscle growth. For this reason, whey protein is effective in preventing age-related muscle loss and improving strength. Some studies suggest that whey protein may be slightly more effective than other types of protein, such as casein or soy. Additionally, whey protein can help reduce inflammation. While inflammation is a normal part of the body's response to exercise, becoming chronic can be harmful and increase the risk of various diseases. Studies have shown that larger doses of whey protein, usually equal to or greater than 20 grams per day, can significantly reduce C-reactive protein, a key marker of inflammation in the body. Both creatine and whey protein have been shown to increase muscle mass when combined with resistance exercises. Creatine increases exercise capacity during high-intensity activities, leading to better recovery and adaptations, such as increased muscle mass. On the other hand, whey protein intake in combination with exercise increases muscle protein synthesis, resulting in muscle gains over time. While both promote muscle gain, creatine and whey protein work in different ways. Creatine increases strength and muscle mass by increasing exercise capacity, while whey protein stimulates muscle protein synthesis. Many people wonder if they can take both supplements together. Some studies suggest that there may be no additional benefits in taking whey protein and creatine together. For example, a study in older men found no additional training adaptations when whey protein and creatine were taken together, compared to using each supplement individually. Similarly, a study in resistance-trained women found no differences in muscle mass and strength between those who took whey protein plus creatine and those who took only one of the supplements. If you've used these two supplements together, share with us the effects you've noticed.